Get in here and get your hands washed.
Cody,
come on.
Which soap is
I'll just do
it?
First thing we do, that's way too much. Way too much. Share that with Lincoln. First thing we're gonna do, getting home from church today, is washing our hands. And as you can see, I'm taking the measures to get everything washed from the bathroom. This is a horror show right here. And then I'm gonna get their toothbrushes clean. Guys, please just behave and wash your hands. Okay, Cody, run this downstairs. Put that in the bathroom. Grab Lincoln, put the presents underneath the tree. And there's something else we need to address. Lincoln, turn around. Why do you insist? No, now turn back around. Why? Lincoln found these suspenders. Come here. I took so much time and I lengthened them down so they were not yanking your pants upward. And then he pulled these were up to his shoulders during sacrament. So I was like, Lincoln, come here. So I took, again, time. These are not easy to figure out, at least for me. Put them all the way back down here. He again lifted them all the way up to his chest line. Lincoln, you are not allowed to wear suspenders because you wear them yanking your pants in uncomfortable situations. You're creating unnecessary discomfort for those looking at your pants.
When they were right here, they were too loose, so I had to tighten them.
Yeah. Your belt does just fine.
No, it doesn't.
Yep, it does. No more suspenders for Lincoln. Okay. Guys, put your presents under the tree and come here. Did you get a piece of paper for Olivia?
It's purse paper. Purse paper.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Purse of power.
Okay, when Olivia gets home, she will write her letter to Santa. Let's find some pens.
Okay, I found one.
Okay.
Hundreds of
No, Lincoln, you hop down from there. That's not... You hop down from here because that's not a cupboard for you to get into. There was some down here. Yep, see, there's pens right here.
I want the one that you clip.
No, you'll just have whatever one I just put right in front of you. Okay, we're gonna write letters to Santa because what Christmas season is it without a letter to Santa, right?
Christmas?
No, you can't have Christmas without a letter to Santa. No, you don't. Okay, are you just first starting out with just a list? You're not even gonna say, Dear Santa, thank you. Dear Santa, I love you. Dear Santa, I miss you.
Kiss my mommy.
Yeah, how about you start with a letter? This is called a letter to Santa. This is, Lincoln, this is not a demand list. This is a letter to Santa.
Pocket knife.
You guys, Lincoln is... Deep breath, Mom. Sweeties write their letters to Santa. Lincoln, I hope it's a little more heartfelt than a demand list. I will tell you guys something that we talked about in Relief Society today, in church today, and it brought me a lot of comfort. And if it brought me a little bit of comfort, I would imagine that there are so many people that could, I don't know, maybe benefit from hearing this. We were talking about hurt relationships in families, and as so many people were commenting, these people that I grew up with, commenting and crying and just, you know, expressing their hurt, their heart, their pain. We were just kind of discussing how to get through when you have, you know, hurt relationships, damaged relationships, whether it is people that have passed on or that are still with us. And ultimately, the consensus of the group was that you can't get through it on your own because we're just not strong enough ourselves, and the hurt runs really deep. And if we rely on our Savior and if we ask Him to lighten those burdens, lighten those feelings, that you really can be healed. The same powers of forgiveness are the same powers that heal our hearts, whether we are the ones hurting or someone has, whether we're the ones that are being hurt, or even if you are the one hurting someone else. Either way, you can be, you can work your way through that. You can be healed from those things. Am I making sense?
Is that okay?
I was like, wait, am I even making sense here? But what really like touched my heart and made me, I don't know, feel overwhelmed with emotion was that it was everybody. It wasn't just like, oh, the one person. It was everyone in there. Everyone in there was agreeing and saying, yeah, in some way I, feel that same situation. Mm-hmm. And so when I talked to one of my neighbors that I had growing up, she gave me a big hug, and I just told her, I said it does bring me comfort knowing that this is not a unique situation. No one is in a unique situation. It is, everyone is feeling this way. People just, we don't talk about it because it's painful. Mm-hmm. It hurts. And she said, we're going about life not going downstream together. We're all rowing upstream and we're not paying attention to the person next to us because we're paddling upstream, and it's not unique. It's nothing new, but even if everyone is going through the same thing, it still hurts the same. Mm-hmm. What are you thinking?
Well, I was just thinking that at least we can rely on kind of the unity, that knowing that other people are feeling the exact same way you are.
Mm-hmm. And you don't have to go through things alone. You have people around you, you have neighbors, and if you need to be that neighbor that lifts up others up, and you definitely take turns doing it.
Well, you never may know that you sharing your hurt with somebody else, it might lift them. Mm-hmm. Even though it may feel like you're putting a burden on them, it may lift them, and them knowing your burdens or you knowing their burdens may lift you. I feel like it lightens the burdens.
Mm-hmm.
I took one page and write
Let's see.
and send how, what I've done good, and then this side I'm going to write what I want.
Can I read it?
Yeah.
Dear Santa, I have been trying to be good this year. I have been smiling to people, and I have been trying to be nicer to my brothers. Whatever you get me, thank you. Boston. That's a really nice letter. Let's see. To Santa from Boston. I really love that, honey. Now, where's the list? Okay, you haven't worked on it yet. Okay. Lincoln, can I see how your letter's coming?
I like your tree.
To Santa from Lincoln. Number 1, pocket knife. Santa, please no. Number 2, RC boat, 25 miles per hour. Wow. I mean, that's a little fast. This feels like
I forgot that it was 12. Wait, do I have
what does that number 3 say?
Kirby and the Forgotten Land.
What's that?
A game.
Yeah, kind of.
Kirby and the Forgot the Land?
Forgotten Land.
The Forgotten Land?
Kirby's even a real game?
Yeah.
Is it like on the Nintendo?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
It can suck up things and then you
Ho, ho, ho. I really think that's cute.
We don't need
It's
the
a nice.
Nintendo.
That's cute,
I
Link.
want that game.
Can I read yours, Cody?
I'm not done.
Oh, I want to see.
Oh. I meant for it to be on I don't know. It was supposed to be this was on this page, so I could flip it over and
That's
do
all
a
right.
drawing. But so then it was originally. Wait, I don't know what I'm saying.
It's
I
okay.
think I'm gonna write what I want here, and then I'm gonna do this, this, and then draw a picture. Even though
All right.
it's gonna be all messed up. So
Dear Santa, I have been really good this year. Moving was hard, but I helped out as much as I could. I did a lot of my brother's chores and doing things that no one has told me to do. I hope that all my old friends will be happy this Christmas and that I can go visit them and make them feel happy. Whatever I get for Christmas, I will be grateful for, and this is what I want for Christmas. Well, make that your front. Like
yeah, that's what I was
this.
thinking.
And then you can open it up.
And
You can draw your art on the back maybe.
Wait, you can do your list right here and then your art right here. All right. A mini arcade.
Dear Santa, I have had, what does that say? Trouble having to be good this year. I have been honest this year. I have eaten my nails, like bitten your nails, but also really good this year.
Two.
You know, I like that you're honest. I like that there's a little confession in here. I like that there's a little justification. Lincoln, have you been trying really hard not to bite your nails? Yeah. Have you been trying hard not to maybe like annoy everyone so much? Yeah. You know what? I think that all he cares about is that you're trying
To be good.
to be good. I think that's really sweet.
Mom, look what I want for my wish list.
Oh my gosh. All right. A watch. A RC car. The book series graphic novel Last Kids on Earth. The game, what is it?
Wobbly life.
Wobbly Life. Some pants and a hoodie. A sketchbook. A G.I. Joe action figure. Some candy. Now in my stocking. A fidget. A tech deck. A cool rock. Oh.
Yeah.
And a pocket knife. Well, that is a
letter
really good list.
Can read the
I did read it. While the kids work on their letters, Joel and I are cooking up a little lunch,
Brenner,
little breakfast for lunch.
brunch.
Okay, we took a little break to have dinner, like lunch, brunch, you know, whatever. Okay,
Olivia hasn't drawn her Christmas card.
I know, we're gonna close the vlog with Olivia's.
That's mine. I did a terrible job drawing because there wasn't like a pencil.
I like it. It's good. Okay, let's see. You want a 3D printer, a pair of camo Vans or Air Force Ones, 22 Savage?
Yeah,
Savage rifle with bullets. Or begin to play with my brothers. Play? That looks like an evil face.
Exactly.
Mini arcade game. Galaga. A pocket knife like Dad's. A black
Oh, that's what I want.
roller coaster rector set. A week stock of candy. Okay, Olivia, all the kids wrote their letters to Santa.
You can write it downstairs on the table. I'm sorry.
This is for you.
baking powder and baking soda the same thing?
Absolutely not.
No, not even
It has to be the same one.
And if it's not, then
What one are you looking for?
Baking powder.
baking powder is the white baking powder.
Yeah. Okay, Olivia, we are going to end the vlog with, can we read your Christmas letter? Okay.
I didn't want a lot. I don't really want anything for Christmas.
I haven't read it yet, so I'm excited to see what you said. Okay. Yes. What I want to get for Christmas. What is that?
I was bored while we were watching a movie, so I just drew
That's cute. Yeah, we were downstairs watching Home Alone, and I think everyone got bored quickly, and
But everyone went upstairs and Mom was just like, we're gonna let Dad sleep.
yeah, Dad fell asleep. Oh, I mouthed to you. I said, do you want to come
Oh, I thought you
upstairs?
said come upstairs.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, sorry. Okay, let's see the back. What I want for Christmas is a pair of shoes. Also, I want a pocket knife that is army green and matte.
I want a matte army green that looks like that. Dad has one, and I really want it.
Okay, that's really interesting. In clothing, I almost said clothing. In closing, this dress, I have a discount code for the dress shop that is just my absolute favorite. But the code went live on Monday. This vlog goes up live on Tuesday, and it only lasts until Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Is that noon? No, that's midnight. Okay, so just for today only for you guys. So if you are wanting a holiday dress or a New Year's dress, I know they come out with Valentine's, some that like go good for like Valentine's-y. Anyway, dresses on dresses on dresses that are just literally my favorite. The quality is incredible. The old ladies behind me at church today were like, is this wool? They're like, we don't see dresses like this anymore. I was like, well, I don't know what it is, but it's soft and awesome. Okay, that's all. Have a wonderful Tuesday for you guys. It's Sunday for us here. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.